Hello everybody, it has been a red hot minute and I think I've said this on every video that I have posted this year. So yes, today's going to be a bit of a catch-up video about what I've sort of been up to and yeah, sort of go from there. I am still a home improvement channel, I promise, but yeah, today is just a bit of a catch-up about what's been going on just because it has been like really inconsistent this year. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you the little reno project I've been up to, as well as the rest of the Christmas decorating and our holiday and what happened on our holiday. So yes, I am still home improvement, I promise. But anyway, so first of all, I did the toilet. So I was still at uni at the time and this was something I was trying to squeeze in. And I can tell you, I had really shit for luck, literally. So I ended up the day that I was doing this, I ended up having diarrhea and I had to keep running to the local shopping centre. Yes, probably too much information there, but yes, that's what happened to me. And we stayed at my brother's house for one of the nights as well because we had to have I think it was 3 nights away. It was either 2 or 3 nights away. The part that we needed for the toilet here, you couldn't just get it from Bunnings, it had to be from a plumbing store, and of course the plumbing store was like closed for the weekend or whatever the situation was, I can't remember, but yeah, it just happened to be that many days away. So yes, I slept in a single bed with my daughter and it was the most uncomfortable experience ever. She's bad enough to sleep in a queen size bed with, let alone a single bed, so I was completely exhausted, but I was really happy to get this done. So if you've been following for a long time, you'd know. If you know, you know. Yeah, I haven't had this tiled all of Talia's life. It's probably been 10 years. So yeah, I basically got quoted really high. I think it was like $2,000 or maybe just over that to do this toilet. And you know, being like I've done my kitchen myself and my laundry myself, I was like, no, I can do it myself. I'm not going to use that kind of money on this house, being the ex-commission home it is. And yeah, I just didn't ever get around to doing it. So my partner, who is a carpenter, had some time off work and he said to me, I'm going to surprise you and do it. And you know, I was mentally just really, I was burnt out. I was really feeling really under the weather, to be honest, and I was just so done, physically exhausted, mentally exhausted, emotionally exhausted, the whole lot. So yeah, it was really lovely of him to do something nice for me like that. And yeah, it just made me, I had to get it finished then because otherwise obviously we had no toilet. So that is what I got up to. Okay, so I'm outside doing a little bit of Christmas decorating, and of course Talia wanted to get these particular lights out. I've used them once and I must admit I have not used them again because they're little icicle things. She was really into Frozen when I got them that year, so I thought that'd be really cute. But they get tangled really easily and they're a pain in the butt. So I haven't used them again, which sounds very wasteful, but I just dread putting them. Anyway, I did a deal with her.
What did you just say?
And I said that if she untangles them, I will put them up. So we'll see how we go. I did buy a new doormat as well for Christmas, which I don't normally buy like festive stuff like doormats and things, but I just did. Anyway, so yes, we're going to put all these things together and we'll quickly show you what our Christmassy stuff looks like.
The snow is falling and the cold wind is blowing hard. I'm locked inside tonight, but my heart is somewhere else. I'm thinking of you, babe, and all your crazy ways. I miss you more right now. It must be these holidays. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. And oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Oh, what I give to have you here.
Okay, you really can't see it very well, but these look really cute actually. They come out really well. And I'm totally obsessed in this. Lighting is horrible because we're getting that sun, that late sun in, but it is cute. While I'm at it, this is my update. It is absolutely filthy. It's just like really dusty in here. But yes, we have a toilet, yay! Check it out. Last assessment, just submitting now. Oh, and that's my tummy grumbling. How good is that? Did she do good? Do you think she's a bonbon elf still?
What's a bum?
You know, the one that writes the dodgy bonbons. You know, the dodgy dad jokes in the bonbons. Because we were talking about that the other day. Does it look really cool? Do you love it? Let's get ready for our holiday.
And Trixie coming with us.
Oh, okay. Hey, Charles.
What?
How about I take your pyjamas out? Because you don't need them. Then we'll have room for Trixie.
Racing at the speed of light. You feel like you've got nowhere else to go. No one holds you till the sun comes in.
So if you know us, we actually love going hiking. It's one of our favourite things to do together. So I decided that we were going to go to Lorne because there's a few really good hiking spots there, but is more of our celebration for me finishing uni, and I was extremely stressed at the time, and it's been just a horrible, stressful year, as I've mentioned before, and yeah, it just was a way for us to get out. It was cheaper because it wasn't school holidays as well, and yeah, we could just enjoy our time. And I had to come this way a couple of days later anyway, so it was just a way of squeezing in a little sneaky adventure before school finished.
Hey Charles, without telling them about our special surprise, are we doing something exciting tomorrow?
Yeah.
Are you excited to show everyone? Yeah.
And I think that's going to be our next video, or is it going to be in this video?
This one. We're doing this one.
It's going to be in this video, so make sure to keep watching. Next stop, which is Teddy's Lookout. Wait, is this a part of the other video that I...
Yes,
again. So this is our next stop.
So I know I keep telling you guys how much of a crappy year we've had, and I haven't really filled you in too much, and I do apologise for that. I think the biggest thing about posting on this kind of forum is it's not private. It is literally available to everybody in the whole world. So knowing what you can post and you can post safely is definitely a huge factor. And yeah, and confidentiality as well, like how much do you want people to know about. So I definitely will fill you in with some stuff, but yeah, I will do that in another video. It's a new viewpoint, isn't it? It's a river viewpoint apparently.
Look.
It does look a bit gross, doesn't it? It's really brown. It is. That house would be so cool to live right there.
You have lots of. Before you do that.
Breakfast. Just breakfast. Oh my golly god. Charles, you're the luckiest kid in the world right now.
I got ice cream in my mouth.
Oh, it's a glorious day. Why do we have to be going home today, Tarly Wells?
Hello everyone. I got a little Ted.
What's his,
Today bizarre.
what's his name, babe?
Squirt.
We're here to do something special. Excited, Talia?
Yeah.
Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Okay. It's so cute.
Wait, is that
Oh, have you got Sunny now, Tals?
Yeah, that's Sunny. We just had a little hold, but he won't play with these toys.
Yeah. She's really looking forward to the cats that play. This one just loves me, doesn't he?
Oh, he loves everybody. He's a shocker. He's so naughty. You don't sit still. You don't sit still. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You're a little smoocher. You're a little smoocher. It's like, I don't know whether I want to smooch or play. Oh. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful girls. Hi. Oh, she's so, all of you in there. So sweet.
Mom, Sunny.
Hi, beautiful.
Mom, this is Sunny.
I know. We're taking him home, aren't we? Are you so happy? Sonny, hi. Hi, beautiful man. You ready to come home, buddy? Don't you love going away? Just all the crap from out of the car. This is why I hate going away, because now I've got to deal with it. Anyway, let's get him out. Are you going to introduce who we ended up getting?
Sunny.
His name's Sunny.
We named him. Let him get out.
Hi, Sunny. Hi, beautiful man. He's been quiet the whole time. It was an hour and a half to get to our place, and we stopped off at Mum and Dad's because we need to go to the toilet. And yeah, he's been really quiet. It's the first meow we've ever heard from you.
It's
Hi.
my second.
Is it?
From him.
Hi.
He meowed at
Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful boy.
Hi, beautiful. Come on. Come on.
Just in case anyone wants to know, he's a lilac Tonkinese.
Come on.
So
Now
his
you wanna go?
eyes will stay light blue like this, apparently. He's similar to my old cat, the same colours, really. Hey. But she thought he was a blue point, but she reckons he's more of a lilac. Hey, buddy. I know it's a mess in here, isn't it? I know.